Hi everyone, my name is Nicole Sherfy. I am from Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania, but I currently live in Lansdowne with my boyfriend and our 9-month-old. I just had my daughter in August of 2020 during this crazy time. It definitely was something that I will never forget, going to doctor's appointments with masks, without my boyfriend. It's just something I will never forget. I'm currently working at Delaware County Children Youth Services as a caseworker in the ongoing unit. I absolutely love the ongoing unit. We usually have cases for like 6 months up to a year. I love building that relationship with my clients and seeing the progress from when I first get the case from intake, from when I close it out, or unfortunately if I have to place them into foster care. I just like seeing the growth of my clients, the progress being made. I've been working there since June 4th of 2018. I graduated from Newman University with my BSW in 2018, and I started a month after at Delaware County Children Youth Services. How I feel about starting the online program to obtain my master's. I'm quite nervous, so I'm maintaining a full-time job, plus my social life, my relationship. Then also we have a 9-month-old. So it's definitely going to be tricky, but I'm very organized, and that definitely should help me out in the long run. At least I'm hoping. But I cannot wait to meet all of you, get to know all of you better. And yeah, I'm really excited to get my master's. My goal at the end of this is to become like a substance abuse counselor. I love working with my addicts that I have on my caseload. I have about 18 cases right now, and about 15 of them are substance abuse concerns. So I do like that aspect, that culture, that population. I want to know more about it. Because my clients always tell me that, Nicole, you'll never understand, you're not an addict. So I do want to gain, more information on how I can help them best, just because I'm not an addict. But yes, I just can't wait to meet all of you guys. And good luck, everyone.